Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 1, Day 1. I will say 3 words. One sound will be the same in all 3 words. Listen, late, make, gave. I hear the same middle sound in late, make, and gave. Listen, late, make, gate. The middle sound is A. Listen as I say 3 words. So I'll take a turn, then you'll take a turn. Okay, saying the sound you hear that all 3 of those words have. Take, vase, name. A. Gate, tape, bake. A. Fan, bag, mad. A. Wave, game, cape. A. Bug, pup, sun. Safe, cape, tail. Tail. A. Pen, net, web. A. Date, fake, vase. A. Top, log, knot. Ah. Okay, friends, nice job doing that. Let me get my marker out. Okay, so we're just reviewing the sounds we've been working on. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Whiff. 3, 2, 1. Rich. 3, 2, 1. Much. 3, 2, 1. Branch. 3, 2, 1. Ship. 3, 2, 1. Chimp. 3, 2, 1. Thank. So remember, A and K is ink. 3, 2, 1. Which, like which one. 3, 2, 1. Thing. Now today's a special day because this is the first day we're learning about long vowels. A long vowel says its name. So in the past, you've been used to saying ah, eh, I, ah, That is the short. Those are the short sounds for the vowels. Now we're going to be working on the long sounds. The long sounds are their name. A, E, I, O, U. So today, if you look at the train card, you will notice many different ways to spell A. We're focusing on A blank E or super E. So at becomes 8. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A, 8. Okay? Do you see my super E? So that's going to be A, P. What's the word? Ape. Do you see my super E? Some of you might have said ma. It's not ma because we have a super E. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A. Made. What's the word? Made. Ache. What's the word? Make. Now, if you can, cover up the E with your finger. Okay, so cover that E up. Now tell me what word we have. 3, 2, 1. Mac. Without the E, it says the short sound, ah. But once I have the E tickles the A to say its own name, A. Okay, so that's why it's make. Okay, let's do some more. B, A, bake. What's the word? Bake. G, A, I see my super E. A, M. Word? Game. Okay, let's let you do some. Okay, do you see your super E? Word? Sail. So E tickles the A to say its own name. Ace. Ale. Sail. Here's my blend. Grr. Remember the E's making it say A. Gray. I'll let you finish it. Word? Grape. Okay, so let's look at some sounds we're working with. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. Wh. 3, 2, 1. Sh. 3, 2, 1. Gr. 3, 2, 1. Sk. 3, 2, 1. Ch. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. F. 3, 2, 1. S. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. Z. 3, 2, 1. Ah. So there's no E, so it says the short sound. Okay, let's do some together. Late. Word, late. See the super E? Take. Word, take. Ache. Word, lake. Okay, now we'll take turns. I'll let you go first. See the super E? Word, wade. I see the super E. Ache. Word, wake. Okay, your turn. Word, gaze. That's when you're looking at someone. And wade is when you're out in the water, wading into it. You're not totally in it, just your feet. Okay, let's do this one together. I see super E. Lane. Word, lane. Your turn. Word, gate. Together. Cave. Word, cave. Now cover up that E. What does that say now? Cab. You only have the long sound if there's a super E. Okay, your turn. Word, fade. If you said fad, you forgot your super E. Okay. Save. Word, save. Next, your turn. Word, tame. If you said tam, you only read that part. You forgot the E. Okay, this is going to be your turn. Now, we're going to see how words change just with super E. So 3, 2, 1, tap. There's no super E, so it says ah. I see a super E. 3, 2, 1, tape. 3, 2, 1, rat. No super E, so it says ah. 3, 2, 1, rate. I see super E. Okay. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1, snack. 3, 2, 1, snake. So if you said snack, you got to remember that's a super E. Makes it say snake. Oh, here's another super E. 3, 2, 1, whale. There's another super E. Says A. 3, 2, 1, skate. 3, 2, 1, shade. So it's not shad, it's shade. Okay, 3, 2, 1, chase. Ch-a-s. Okay, it's not chas. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1, grape. 3, 2, 1, phase, not faz. 3, 2, 1, shame. Okay, let's look at some sentences. Let's read it together. We have a lot of super E's. So it's not Nat. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A. Nate. And the E tickles the A to say its own name. A. Kate. Nate and Kate like to. The E tickles the A. Wade in the lake. Let's read that again. Nate and Kate like to wade in the lake. Okay, do we have our capitals? Yes, those are proper nouns. They're the name of people. Lake is a common noun because we don't know which lake. And we have our capital, period. We have our end mark, which is a period today. I'm just telling you something. Okay, let's look at our next sentence. Brave. Super E. Super E. Super E. I mean super A. No, super E. Super E. Super, oh, no, super E. So we have 4 words that are saying A. Brave, Dave, gave the whale a snack. If you said snake, you have to remember there's no E there. No E. Okay, let's read it together. Brave Dave gave the whale a snack. Dave is a capital because it's a proper noun. It's a name. And we have a period, which means we're telling you something. Okay, let's do this one. Can a snake bake you a cake. Okay, so once again, if it has the E at the end, A blank E says A. Let's read it fluently. Can a snake bake you a cake? We have our capital and we have our end mark. Today it's a question. We're not sure. Here are our high frequency words. This is the word away. Read the word with me. Away. The word away is spelled A-W-A-Y. Spell it with me. A-W-A-Y. Let's write it in the air. A-W-A-Y. My dog ran away, but he came back. This is the word now. Spell the word with me. Now. The word now is spelled N-O-W. Spell the word with me. N-O-W. Let's write it in the air. N-O-W. Can we play the game now? Some. This is the word some. Read the word with me. Some. The word some is spelled S-O-M-E. Spell the word with me. S-O-M-E. Let's write it in the air. S-O-M-E. I see some snakes in the grass. This is the word today. Say the word with me. Today. The word today is spelled T-O-D-A-Y. Spell it with me. T-O-D-A-Y. Let's write it in the air. T-O-D-A-Y. I had fun at camp today. This is the word way. Read the word with me. Way. The word way is spelled W-A-Y. Spell it with me. W-A-Y. Let's write it in the air. W-A-Y. Is this the way to school? This is the word why. Read the word with me. Why. The word why is spelled W-H-Y. Spell the word with me. W-H-Y. Let's write it in the air. W-H-Y. Why are the ducks quacking at me? Okay, here's our story for today. I see Super E, so that's going to say A. Let's read it together. Nate and Pam, because we don't have a Super E with Pam. Here are some words we'll see. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1, can, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, the, 3, 2, 1, it. Okay, so I'm going to go down here. So let's read it again. Nate and Pam. Remember, the E tickles the A. I see another A here. Okay, I'm going to let you go. Together. Nate and Mom can name it. Oh, there was another A. Okay. Okay, I'm going to read this with you. Pam and Dad came, Super E, to it. Okay. Look for the, I see some long E's. Super E's. Your turn. Together. Nate and Pam can tame it. That means make it so they can ride it. It's not wild. Let's read this one together. Pam can pat the mane. And let's read this last one together. Nate and Pam can tape it. Nice job. Okay? So a word that shows an action is called a verb. A verb is an action. A verb is an action. So here we go. Kate walks to school. So what is she doing? She's walking. So that's my verb. The whale swims fast. What's the whale doing? Swimming. That's a verb. Fast is an adjective. It tells me how fast. But we're talking about verbs today. A verb is an action. Other verbs are smile, write, stand, sit, laugh, eat, and sleep. Okay. I'm going to read the sentence and I'll give you 3 seconds to find the verb. The verb is the action. The wet dog shakes. What's the dog doing? Shaking. That's a verb. Okay, last one. Jake kicks the ball and then runs. Okay, there were 2 in that one. There was kicks and runs. So sometimes a sentence can have more than one verb. Remember, a verb is an action. It tells me what someone is doing. Bye, everyone.